Welcome to MBBSCouncil. National Medical Commission gave letter of intent for new government medical college in Odisha State. 100 MBBS seats are getting added to NEET 2022 counselling. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. NMC had issued letter of intent for Government Medical College Keonjhar. These seats will be added to 2022-23 academic session. Odisha State Government DME need to provide an undertaking to provide all the necessary facilities as per the NMC norms. After that, NMC will issue a letter of permission for 100 MBBS seats. Out of the 58 newly proposed medical colleges in phase 1 of central government sponsored scheme, Odisha got 5 new medical colleges. All of them are functional now. Last year, Sri Jagannath Medical College Puri was approved by NMC with 100 MBBS seats. Out of the 24 newly proposed medical colleges in phase 2, Odisha got only one medical college in Jajpur district. This medical college is not ready for 2022 admission season. Out of the 75 medical colleges proposed in phase 3, Odisha got only one medical college in Kalahandi district. This medical college is also not ready for 2022 admission. Later, Odisha government proposed 3 new medical colleges in Sundargarh, Pulbani and Keonjhar. GMC Sundargarh already got letter of permission from National Medical Commission. Pulbani is not likely to be ready for 2022 admission. So this year, 200 government MBBS seats are getting added for Odisha State. Let's see the MBBS seat distribution in Odisha State. It has 8 government medical colleges with 1250 MBBS seats. With 2 more new colleges, it will add 200 more seats. There are 2 private medical colleges with 250 total MBBS seats. There are 2 deemed university medical colleges with 250 MBBS seats each. This brings us to end of this video. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS or PG admission, comment below. If you want to know how many new colleges were allotted in phase 1 or 2 or 3 of centrally sponsored scheme for your state, comment your state below. See you in the next video.